Your phone rings, and suddenly your mind goes blank. What do you even say? Hi, I'm Maya. Welcome back to Daily Speak English. Today's lesson is all about phone calls. How to sound natural, not nervous. By the end of this video, you'll be able to answer, ask, and end a call, just like a native speaker. Let's start simple. When you answer a formal call, say, "Hello, this is Maya speaking." See the difference? Formal calls are polite and clear. Casual calls are short and warm. But with a friend, it's much more relaxed. Just, "Hey." See the difference? Formal calls are polite and clear. Casual calls are short and warm. If someone else answers, they might ask, "Who's calling me? Who's calling, please?" Quick vocabulary. When you end a call, we say hang up. And when you answer, we say pick up the phone. And when you answer, we say pick up the phone. We say pick up the phone. Let's lock in these words together. Dial, pick up, hang. Now imagine you're calling a friend's house. You'd say, "Can I speak to Sarah, please? Please?" "Hello, thanks for calling."
Love you.
"Oh, yes, this is Sarah speaking." That's when you ask, "Can I take a message?" Or leave one yourself. This phrase is powerful. Use it anytime someone isn't available. Anytime someone isn't available. Sometimes you'll dial the wrong number. Just say, "I think you have the wrong number." Or the call breaks up, you can say, "Sorry, you're breaking up." "Sorry, you're breaking up." Or simply ask, "Can you repeat that, please?" Nobody minds, it's completely normal. Pronunciation tip. "Can I" often sounds like when we speak fast. Listen closely. Let's try a travel example. Booking a hotel. "I'd like to book a room for 2 nights." Calling a doctor's office? Say, "I'd like to make an appointment, please." Ordering food by phone is easy too. Easy too. "Can I get a large pizza, please?" "Can I get a large..." For customer service, try, "I'm calling about my order." Notice how the situation changes the tone, but the structure stays simple. To end a formal call politely, say, "Hey, thanks for calling, have a good day." With a friend, it's simpler. "Talk to you later, bye." Sometimes no one answers. That's when you leave a voicemail. "Hi, this is Maya. Please call me back." 2 useful words here, voicemail and missed call and missed call. Voicemail and missed call. Let's review these together. Need a second? Say, "Can you hold on for a moment?" Tero? And the easy reply, "Sure, no problem." Sure, no problem. Sometimes it's just easier to say, "I'll text you instead." I'll text you instead. Notice the short forms we use, "I'll," "your," "don't." Native speakers almost never say the words. Let's see them clearly, written out. Don't. One common mistake. Don't say, "I am Maya." On the phone, we say, "This is Maya." And remember, it's always to speak slowly or ask someone to repeat. Even native speakers do this. Let's do a quick review before we practice together. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. "Hello, This is Maya speaking. Great! Now imagine your phone rings right now. Answer it out loud. Nice work. One more one. Repeat. Can I take a message, please? Now a role play. Your friend calls. Your friend calls to make plans weekend. How do you start the conversation? What? Last one. Repeat clearly. Sorry, can you repeat that? See? You just had a real phone conversation in English. Phone calls don't have to feel scary anymore. With the right phrases, you can sound confident every single time. Answering, asking, and ending a call. You now know it all. Remember, greet clearly, ask politely, and end warmly. That's everything you need for a great phone call in English. Great job! Keep practicing every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson. Bye!